I will challenge myself to go from $10 to $500 during the golf off season, and I will limit myself to a 10-hour time investment. Something very important was missing from this set. Last week, we started with $10, spent $6.99 on a Northwestern light new putter, and sold it for $15, leaving us with $18.11. Let's hope that this next move is more profitable. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything either interesting or in our budget, so I ended up scrolling Marketplace and eBay and found a $15 Wilson Imperial full set. So I jumped on it, brought it back home to realize that they were in a very good state, which meant that I wouldn't have to spend a lot of time in the Shining Shack, but again, working too fast. One, I realized that the woods weren't Wilson Imperial woods and they were worthless. And second, the 8-iron was missing. This means it won't sell for as much as I thought. I posted it for $50, mentioning that the 8-iron was missing. And while I'm filming this video, this set still hasn't sold. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to bring my price down. Stick around and we'll see next week if we can get one step closer to that $500 in 10 hours.